Good morning. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning,
teacher.
Good morning, Sin.
Morning.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Kopan.
Morning.
Good morning,
Morning.
naman 15. Good morning, naman 5. Pumara.
ได้ยินเสียงไหม
Oh, who's that? Who is Pumara Chalanthai?
น้ำมันต์ยาย
No, not Punada. Pumara.
ก็ชื่อไม่น้ำมันต์ใหญ่มาเธอน้ำมนต์ที่เชอร์อ่านที่เชอร์เห็นโปรไฟล์รูปเป็นน้ำมนต์ยายแต่ชื่อเป็นแม่ของน้ำมนต์ยาย
Aida. Okay, good morning, Aida.
รูปโปรไฟล์
Morning, Min.
นี่ผู้ช่วย
Morning, teacher.
Morning, teacher.
ไอ้คนนี้คือพี่ซีนสัญญาณไม่ดีหรอ Good morning
Morning. Naman 15.
ไม่น้ำมนต์เล็ก
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning สี่ได้ไหม
Morning, Earth. Good morning, Baibua. Good morning, Rain. Okay, I'm going to show the project, your project. Let's see who have submitted already.
เลือกเลยเคี้ยวกับเลือกให้กินอะไรกินแล้วให้พี่คนมาก็กินเหล้าร้องมันไม่ควรดอกไป
Okay, some of you, okay, naman 15 submitted. Can you see? Naman 15 submitted the video already. Pink submitted already the video. Lakim submitted already. Ayun submitted already. Min, right? Min submitted. Naman 5 submitted already. Okay, so I'm going to show you the example. This is the example wind turbine. How to make wind turbine.
ไม่ได้ดูเลย
Okay, so we're going to do for our project. We're going to make a wind turbine.
การหันโลก
Wind turbine.
มีดู
Can
แล้
you see my
ว
screen?
มีดูแล้ว
Okay, so that is how to make wind turbine using a paper. Okay, don't forget to submit, okay? Okay, for our topic for today, we're going to discuss how wind forms. So what is wind? Do you know what is wind, kids? You know what is wind? Okay.
เพส
Okay, page 126. 126. Okay. So are you ready to learn, kids? For those who just entered, good morning. Okay, we're going to study how wind forms. 126 onwards. What is wind? Okay, let's begin by answering the question, what is wind? Okay, kids, wind is a moving air. In hot places, the air rises up into the sky, allowing cooler air from nearby places to blow in. So when a place is hot, the air rises up into the sky. So when the air moves upward, when the hot air moves upward, the cold air will replace the hot air that went upward. So the cold air will come in. And that is the wind. The wind is a moving air. When the air started to move, that is now called wind, okay? Wind is a moving air, okay? Wind forms when air blows between two places with different temperatures. Air in warm places rise up into the sky, like I've said before, and air in cooler places blow in it to replace the hot air. Okay, when a place is hot, the air goes up. Remember, when it's hot, the air moves up, okay? and the cold wind replaces the hot air. Okay, later I'm going to show you a picture of how it happens. The air in warm places always rise up into the sky, while air in cool places move down. That is why the air conditioner is placed up, right? It is placed in the higher part of the room because the cold air always goes down. The cold air always go down. Okay, this cool air blows in to take place of warm air. Okay, so this is how it happens. In a place when it's high temperature or when it is hot, the air goes up. Remember, because it may be part of your exam. Okay, if it's hot, the air moves up. If it's cold, the air moves down. Okay? What happens to the air if it's hot? What happens to the air if it's hot? Does it go up or down?
Down.
What? Up or down?
Up.
Up. Okay. When it's hot, the air goes up. Okay. Ayun, what happens to the air when it's cold? When it's cold, does it move up or down? What happens to the air that is cold? Up or down? Okay, can you turn on your microphone? Okay, very good. Min is giving sign signal. Okay, that is down. When it's cold, the air moves down. Okay? So hot, remember hot, upward, cold, downward. Okay? Hot, up, cold, down. Okay. Science fact. When wind speed or wind direction changes, it brings a change in weather. So it is useful to have devices that can tell us wind speed or wind direction. For example, we have the wind vanes and anemometers. This is the person right here. This is Leon Battista Alberti. He invented anemometers that is used for measuring the wind. Okay, either the wind. Okay, I'm going to show you the anemometer. Okay, this is anemometer. This is used for measuring the speed wind. The speed wind, okay? The speed of the wind, okay? This is called anemometer. It is invented by Leon Battista Alberti. Okay. That is the anemometer that is used for measuring the speed of the wind. Okay, but before we continue, I want to ask first, what happens to the wind? What happens to the air if it is hot? Hot. Is it up or down? Page 100. That is page 130. So the next page will be 131. Okay, what happens to the hot air? Kaupan. What happens to the hot air? Up or down? What happens to the hot air? Up or down?
Down.
Nope. The hot air goes up. Okay, you have to listen carefully, kids, because this is a different topic that we haven't discussed yet. So this may be hard to understand at first. So you have to listen carefully, okay? Okay, so we have the two types of breeze. Two types of breeze. The first one is the local winds, and the next one is the monsoons. Okay, the first one, say local winds. Turn on your microphone and say local winds.
Local wind.
Okay, very good. That is the first type of wind. The next one is the monsoons. Monsoons.
Monsoon.
Very good, thank you. Naman 15. Local wind and monsoon. The first thing that we're going to discuss, page 131. 131. Okay, there are two different types of winds. They form differently at different times and at different places. The first one is the local winds. Kids, the local winds are winds that are formed every day near large water bodies. Okay, so this place that we are living in is near the water bodies, right? So we have the beaches. We are near Songkla Beach, the Samila Beach. Okay, we are near the water bodies. So here, local winds are winds that form every day near large water bodies. Next one is the monsoon. Monsoon. Okay, what is monsoon? Monsoon is a seasonal wind that blow over large places. They form from the difference in temperature between land and the ocean. So if the temperature, kids, is the hotness or coldness of a place or something. Okay, when it's hot in the land and cold in the water body, there will be, because they are different, there will be monsoons. Or, for example, it's cold in the land and hot in the water body, there will also be monsoon. Okay? Monsoon are seasonal winds, so it doesn't happen every day. It happens according to the season. Okay? Local winds every day. Remember, local winds every day. Monsoon, seasonal. Monsoon, seasonal. Local winds every day. Okay? Okay, so these are the local winds. The first one is the sea breeze, and the next one is the land breeze. What happens to the sea breeze? Okay, the hot air moves up, right? And the cold air goes down. So here, if it's hot in the land, the air moves up, and it's cold. It's cold in the sea. So the air moves down. That is the sea breeze. Okay, when it's cold on the sea, that is sea breeze. But when it's cold on the land, that's called land breeze. Okay, because breeze is cold air. Okay, what happens in land breeze? Okay, if it's night, right, it's cold on the land. So what happens? The air on the land goes down, and the air on the sea goes up. Okay, that's called land breeze. Let's read. Cool air in the sea breeze, cool air above the sea moves in to replace hot air. Okay, and in the land breeze, cool air above the land moves in to replace the hot air. Okay, remember in the local winds in sea breeze, the sea breeze is cold in the sea. So the cold wind goes to the land. Okay, and next in land breeze, since it's night, it's cold in the land. So the cold wind moves to the sea. Okay? Alright, so let's go to the next part. Remember in the local winds, the sea breeze, it forms during the day. That's why you can see in this picture, there is a sun. And that also happens because page 131. 131. And of course, kids, if there's a sun, it is hot. Okay? So the hot air will go up. Okay, the next one is the land breeze. It blows from the sea to the land. Okay. Did you understand the local winds? Okay. Let's move on to the monsoon. Monsoon. What happened to the monsoon, kids? Okay, this is the northeast monsoon, and the southeast monsoon. So what happens to them? Okay, there are two types of monsoon in Thailand. The first one is northeast monsoon. It forms during winter. Do you know what is winter? Okay, we studied it in conversation, right? It blows cold air. Page 131. 131. Okay now? Ayun? 131. Okay. The northeast monsoon forms during winter. Okay. It blows cold air from the land to the ocean. From the land to the ocean. Look, northeast monsoon, from the land, the air moves from the land to the ocean. That's why the arrow goes to the ocean, making it less humid on land. It brings rain to the places near the ocean. It brings rain to the places near the ocean. Next one, kids, is the southeast monsoon. Southeast monsoon. It forms during the rainy season. That's why you can see some rain clouds here in the southeast monsoon. because southeast monsoon happens in the rainy season. It blows from the ocean to the land. From the ocean to the land. That's why you can see the arrows. It goes from the ocean to the land, bringing a lot of water vapor to land. It brings heavy rain to places near the ocean and near mountains. Okay, southeast monsoon, kids. The wind moves from the ocean or from the sea to the land. Page 131. 131. But we're almost done with 131. Okay. Remember, the monsoons happen seasonally. Seasonal. Okay? That means that's longer than the local winds. The local winds happens every day. The monsoons happen seasonal. Okay? The northeast monsoon, the wind blows from the land to the sea. The southeast monsoon, from the sea to the land. The northeast monsoon happens in sunny days. The southeast monsoon, in the winter. In southeast monsoon, it happens during the rainy season. Okay, so we're going to answer page 127. So let's see, we're just going to decide. We're going to take the picture in which the wind is blowing. So we're going to check if there's wind, okay? If the wind is blowing. But if there's no wind blowing, we're not going to write anything, okay? Number 1, does wind blow in this place? Does wind blow in this place? Does wind blow in this place?
Yes, it.
Yes, it does. Very good. It blows in this place, okay? Next, number 2. You're going to check it on your book. Check on your book. Okay? Okay, number 2.
Yes, it does.
Does wind blow in this place? Does wind blow in this place?
Yes, it does.
Do you think so? The answer here is no. It doesn't. The wind doesn't move in this place because it is closed. It is a closed place. So there's no moving wind unless there's air condition. But if there's an empty room, if there's a room like this, the wind doesn't move. The wind doesn't blow. Okay, you're not going to check it, okay? Don't check it on your book. Next, does wind blow in this place?
No, it doesn't.
You think so?
Yes,
it
does.
It does because it's outside any room. It's outside the building, so yes, it does. Okay. Maybe the wind here is not very strong, but the wind still moves, okay? The wind still moves in this place. You're going to check it, okay? Next, what about this one? Does wind blow in this place?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does. Very good. Okay. The wind blows in this place because it's outside of the room. It's not cornered. It's not covered. So it moves. It blows. Okay, next. Does wind blow in this place?
No.
You think so?
No, it does.
Yes, it does. Okay. The wind is not very strong in this place, but the wind blows. Okay? The wind blows in this place, though it's not too strong. It's called calm wind. Calm wind. Calm place. This is a calm place. Next.
Teacher, no,
Yes?
is that. Number 5, no, is that.
Number 5, yes, it does.
Okay.
Number 6.
ทำไมมันเป็นควันรถมันก็มีควัน
Number 6, does wind blow in this place?
Yes,
Does
it does.
wind blow? Yes, and it's not just wind, it's a strong wind in this place because there's a lot of space. Okay, it blows. Yes, you're going to check it. Next, finish in page 127. Finish?
Finish.
Okay, let's go to 129. Okay, in page 129, it is supposed to be an experiment, but since we cannot do it, Okay, Teacher Lance is just picking experiments that we can do. This one, we're not going to do it, so we're just going to write our hypothesis. Observing how smoke moves. So we're just going to write some hypothesis. Hypothesis means, okay, they are the educated guess. Okay, that means that we're giving what we think will happen. Okay, this one. What happens if we insert the incense stick in the left side of the box?
Number 6, yes or no?
Number 6, yes. Yes, there's a very strong wind in there. 129. Let me know when you're ready.
99.
Yes, okay. We're going to insert
Again, please.
129.
79.
Okay.
79.
What happens if we insert the incense stick in the left side of the box? For example, if we're going to have a box, okay, before lighting the candle, so we have candle, incense stick, and box. So what will happen? The smoke moves in circle all around the box. The smoke moves in circle all around the box. So we're just going to write this hypothesis in our book. The smoke will move in circle all around the box.
เขียนลงไปในหนังสือ
Please let me know when you're finished.
Teacher page.
Page 129.
A L A R O U A T C
Finish mean?
D O Okay, finish. Finish.
Page.
Good job. Page 129.
เสร็จแล้วยกมือ
No finish.
กดอันที่สองนะเฮ้ยแล้วใครกดปิดยกมือเมื่อกี้ใครไปกดปิดยกมือหรือว่าที่เชอร์แลนด์ปิดให้
ใช่ไงที่เชื่อหยุด
อ้าวปิดอีกแล้ว
ก็ถ้าปั้นพูด มันก็จะปิดยกมือเองอะ
เอาเหรอ
น่าจะตอนนั้นเราพูดแล้วนั่นแหละพอเขายกมือปุ๊บแล้วถ้าเขาพูดปุ๊บ
Finish
จะมีขึ้นมามันบอก ดูเหมือน
Finish
ว่าคุณได้
everybody
พูดอะไรไปบ้างแล้ว ระบบจะเอาจึงเอามือลง
Okay, next number 2.
ต้องฟินิชทีเฉย
เนี่ยพอไม่พูดแล้วมันก็ปิดเองอะ
มันก็ปิดไมค์สิฟินิช
Good job.
no finish
Take your time.
number 2ระบบจึงจะเอามือคุณลงไม่ยกค้างมือไว้ถ้ากดยกมือค้างขึ้นไว้แสดงว่ามือค้าง
ใช่
คิดว่าที่เชื่อผมมาตลอด
ฟินิช
ข้อ
Is everybody finished?
ยก
Okay, number 2.
กระบะ
finish teacher
Okay. What happens if we insert the incense stick in the left side of the box after placing the candle in the right side? Okay, so this is our hypothesis. The smoke moves from the left side to the right side of the box.
Move from the Teacher Land open the camera แล้วก็อะไรต่อ F box O X box finish ยก
Is
มือ
everybody finished?
finish
Okay. Is everybody finished, kids?
no
Okay, let's wait for Ayun. You may turn on your camera so I will see you if you're finished or not yet.
finish
Is everybody finished?
finish
Okay, next. Next, for our conclusion, we found that when the candle was not lit, the smoke floated in the box. We're just going to write it. But when the candle was lit, the smoke went through the hole in the card paper. That's card paper.
on
Wait a minute.
the paper
Card paper.
teacher
ก็หน้าเดิม
อ๋อดูข้างล่าง อ๋อเห็นแล้ว thank you
But when the candle was lit, the smoke went through the hole on the card paper into the right side of the box with the candle. Then it went through the hole in the cover of the box above the candle.
ทุกสามสิบนะฮะ
Number one is not yet finished. Okay. Later we're going back with that.
เขียนตามที่ทีเชอร์ขีดไว้อ่ะ
into smoke a box with for the ที่ชอบเขียนมันมีแค่มันมีแค่สี่ใช่ไหมที่ชอบเขียนมันมีแค่สามใช่ไหมแต่ในอันเนี้ยมันมีสี่คำอ่ะ
What?
ที่ชอบ A B C C 4 A B C 4คืออะไรอ่ะที่ชอบ
Page.
not take some it up
Inside the yellow. Inside the yellow box.
เอ้าแล้วมันต่ออะไรจาก into อ่ะอ๋อ
Here.
คือถ้าเกิดเขียนไม่พอก็ต่อด้านล่าง
Yes, sure.
แล้วเราก็นึกว่าเขาไม่เขียนคำว่าโดยแล้วขีดมันขึ้นมาใส่ยาวเลยนะแล้วก็สุดท้ายเดิน
ที่เชโนฟีนี่
เดิน
May I go to the toilet please
Sure.
ยกมือไว้ วิชาต่อไปมาแล้วทุกคนอย่าเพิ่งออกไปดีนะอย่าเพิ่งออก
เดี๋ยว
เป็น
เพิ่ง
ประ
ออก
กาศ
ช่วยจับเป็นมาแล้วแต่อย่าเพิ่งออกนะ
ใช่ครูพี่แหวนบอกว่าอะไรเรียนเสร็จคาบนี้ก่อนเขาแค่เอาครูแค่เขามาโลดหรือไม่ว่าก็แยก2 Google ก็ได้ แล้วก็อีก Google นึงก็ไปเรียนภาษาไทยใช่
แล้วเราก็จะได้ยินเสียงซ้อนกัน
ก็ปิดมันเครื่องมันสิ
ใช่ มันจะได้เสียงยินเสียงซ้อนทัน
Finish?
ได้ยินเสียงทีเชอร์แล้วก็ได้ยินเสียงครูพี่จุ้ย
ภาษาอังกฤษ
น้องฟินิชทีเชอร์
ผู้ชายผู้หญิง
Okay.
แยกออก
Write a little bit faster. We're almost time.
no homework นะไม่ชอบ homework นะขนาดวันนี้การบ้านวันนี้ก็ยังยากเลย ที่ไปปั้นนั้น
I think you're just going to take a picture of the things that you did
เดี๋ยว
today.
รูปร่างต้องมีปั้นใหม่ปั้นเป็นใช่ช้างเราก็จะต้องกบหลายเรื่องเห็นไหม
The
ที่เชอร์แลนด์
Yes?
no homework
Finish no homework
นะ
Yes.
เย้
But you're going to take a picture
ก๊อปหน้าจอ
of 127 and 129.
ที่เชโนฟินิชแป๊บเดียว
127 and 129.
เล่นสกรีน
Only take a picture. If you're finished already, just take a picture and send it to your line group.
ถ่ายรูปมาให้พี่เชอร์ดูพี่เชอร์แลนด์
Yes?
you like vegetable
What?
พี่เชอร์ชอบกินผักไหม
Is everybody finished?
Finish no
ฟินิชทีเชอ
number
ร์
one.
Finish everybody?
ทีเชอร์ฟินิช
No finish number one.
ทีเชอร์แลน
number
ด์
one.
I like vegetable
alright now.
No, not yet. I'm going to show you your homework. Okay, for those who are not finished yet in number 1, we're going back after I'm going to show you the homework. Homework first and then number 1, okay? Okay, for your homework 127 and 129, please take a picture. So today we studied how the wind forms, okay? And the kinds of local winds and the monsoons. So I hope that you learned something from Teacher Lance with those topics. And also I hope that you enjoyed this class for today. Okay, after writing the homework and if you're finished in number 1, you may leave the room and say goodbye to your friends. But if you're not yet finished with number 1, I'm going back to that after writing this homework. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye. What's that? Think where are you going? You're going to travel? Take care. Bye everybody.